Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Usha Mandal and you are going to see more of dentistry, lifestyle, cooking and also gardening videos on my channel. So do subscribe. Night creams. Should I use it? Should I not? I mean, night creams are necessary in daily skincare? Well, to be honest, I have a combination skin type and I do not use a night cream throughout the year. You know why? Because in summers, my skin is super oily and any kind of cream just makes my skin too much oily and greasy. But now is the time, the transition from autumn to winters, I need some moisture for my skin. That's because my skin becomes very dry. Every year I'm very skeptical about which night cream should I buy, which moisturizer should I buy. But this year I invested in this night cream from Good Vibes. This cost me rupees 225 with a shelf life of 3 years. This is the Good Vibes Wheat Germ Nourishing Night Cream, 50 gram variant, because it's the first time I'm buying Good Vibes and I'm going to try this. So I bought a smaller variant, but you also have a 100 grams variant of this. So I invested in this and I have been using this for 1.5 months. And I am in absolute love with this product from Good Vibes. I know many of you have been using Good Vibes, but for me this is a new brand because I haven't used this and I just loved this night cream. The packaging is quite good. As you can see, this is a tub packaging with a golden cap on top, and this will give a very nice shine to your dresser. Quite a classy packaging. So this has a inner cap in this for spillage protection. So the cream is white in color, as you can see, and consistency is medium, so that's fine. I'm going to show you the consistency. So see, this is the consistency of the cream, and as you can see, it just blends so well. I mean, see, 5 to 8 seconds it took to blend, and the fragrance is heavenly. I actually love products with good fragrance. I like good fragrances. So this has a heavenly fragrance. It's very nice. I loved the fragrance. So I love this product. I am going to buy a bigger version of this when I finish this off. Good Vibes is a super organic product. We all know that. This is a product which has no paraben, no sulfate, no mineral oil, and also cruelty free. So those are the good things about the product. And the highlighted ingredient of the product is wheat germ oil. So what is wheat germ oil and what does that do to your skin? Wheat germ oil is a great source of vitamin B6, vitamin E, and also folic acid. So these three ingredients in wheat germ oil has wonderful effects on your skin. Vitamin B6 is important because it helps in skin development and the maintenance of a good skin. The folic acid increases the collagen production, so it is going to give you an even skin tone and also reduce the premature aging which your skin may face. Vitamin E of wheat germ oil is a great source of antioxidant. It is going to reduce the UV damage to your skin and also hyperpigmentation. It is also going to reduce the acne scarring. So you see, it's an awesome ingredient. Thus you can see, you can apply this night cream throughout the year and it is good for all skin types. It is going to protect your skin from all the damage that your skin goes through because of pollution, dirt, and also UV. So this is going to protect you from all that also. Cream is non-greasy and it has an awesome blendability. As you can see, I had applied the cream on my skin and it just feels so nice and no greasiness on the skin. It's just a moisturized, supple softness on the skin which is lingering. That's really awesome. And the main thing about this product is it does not make you feel sticky, which most of the night creams does. At least to me it does. I have a combination skin type and I face that problem a lot. I have a very much dry skin in winters and I apply a cream, night cream, and after some time it feels so sticky and very heavy. But this is not that. It's not going to feel heavy at all, not sticky, not greasy. It's going to melt onto your skin very easily and very easily blendable. So that's really awesome about this, which I loved. The main thing I loved about the product. And yes, from price point of view, this is super affordable. I mean, Good Vibes products are, yes, they are affordable, and this is also one of them. It's very much affordable, not a very costly product. You're just going to love it in this price range. You need a very less amount of product to blend on your skin well, because as you can see, I have been using this product for 1.5 months and so much of product is left, and this is 50 grams. So the whole face and neck is going to be covered with a very less amount. This worked wonderfully for me. I have a combination skin type, and I am sure the dry skin people will love this too. For oily skin people, this might be a bit sticky because oily skin people have oiliness on their skin, so this might feel a bit sticky. But for dry skin and combination skin type, this is really nice. You can just blindly buy it, although this says that it's for all skin type, but I think oily skin people might not like this. One con I found about this product, only one con, all others are good. One con is about the packaging. This is a tub packaging, which should have been better if this was a tube, because of that unhygienic thing. You just have to dip your hand every time and apply the cream, so that's a bit unhygienic. That's the only thing I found, that this would have been better in a tube packaging. That's it. That's the only con. Otherwise, about the product, it's awesome. It's just very nice. I love this product. Yes, I would recommend you to buy this, and if you have dry and combination skin type, you have no problem, just go and buy it blindly. I absolutely loved this, and I'm going to repurchase this in this winter. I think the bigger tub. So yes, a thumbs up for Good Vibes, my first Good Vibes review or the product I am using. If my video has been helpful to you, please go and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon, and please share this video with your friends so that they also can have a very nice moisturized skin in this winter. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.